Hey y'all, for the new chapter, legendary Ras Cory. I've been going so long on this Rastafari movement and stuff like it, teaching ones and the insight of Rastafari. But for the year 2025, this new season, we moving on. Sleepers must awake, and it's really about um, just blessing and love, family. That's all it's about. And I'm giving you now. I'm with this. I'm bringing this new channel, this new information. It's really old information, but this is coming from Ras Cory. The legendary Ras Cory. And today we're talking about closing one's chapter and stepping into boldly into a new one. This isn't a goodbye, it's an evolution. I'm moving from legendary Ras Cory to something even deeper, more real. You know what I mean? On this new platform, we're breaking down real life, unfiltered relationships, the fakeness in this world. Babylon is a bloodthirsty, and everything Babylon don't want you to know. But before we move forward, let's reason. You know, this my whole page I had on my whole channel, legendary Ras Cory. You know, I've been doing this for a long time. It comes from where legends were made. I stayed in Westmoreland, Jamaica, where every step I took has a meaning. It's in the streets, in the hills, in the roots of McMinnville. That's where I learned to stand firm, to move with a purpose. Then the journey took me to Jamaica. Then it took me to Bahamas, where I sharpened my mind and expanded my vision. And now I'm here in Hawaii, a new chapter, a new mission. But no matter where I go, you never forget where you come from. The lessons I learned, the roads I walked, they make me who I am, and that's why I bring realness wherever I go. So I want to talk about the relationships between women and man, the real truth. You know what I mean? Those things. So let's talk about relationships, man and woman, king and queen. Too many people out here lost in illusions, chasing false love and ignoring the real work it takes to build something solid. You know, me, I see men who call themselves kings but don't know how to lead, protect, or respect. And me, I see women settling for less than they deserve, giving their energy to men who aren't ready to grow. Family, we have to do better, you know what I mean, in this new journey. Love isn't a game. It's not about likes on social media or playing people against each other. It's about truth, loyalty, and building something that lasts. If you're not bringing that to the table, who has time for you? You know what I mean? So, to the queens, protect your energy. Don't let a man who's not ready to waste your time and to have kings step into the role. A real king uplifts, protects, and grows with the queen. This is the balance that we need. No fake vibes, just keeping it real. You know what I mean? That's what that's about. And just sitting here talking about the fake shit is everywhere, family. I see it in relationships, in the streets, and even in the cannabis game. People are pretending to be something that they're not. They're chasing clout and forgetting their roots. You understand? So, but me, I like to walk the truth. I'm not afraid to call out the bullshit when I see it. That's what makes me legendary from where I'm from. I faced Babylon system. I walked through the fire and still came out standing. So why would I let fake vibes slide? No, I don't move like that. So this new channel, a legendary Ras Cory, is where we're gonna talk about it all. No filters, no sugarcoating. If it's fake, I'm calling it out. If it's real, we're building it up. That's how we move. You understand? For the year 2025 on legendary Ras Cory brand. I'm working on some things I won't say right now until it comes out. Um, I would like for everyone to take this legendary Ras Cory brand and push it. And the cannabis game is really a part of my mission. This isn't just a hustle, it's a movement. You know, the ganja, the herb, the cannabis, the marijuana has been a part of my journey from day one. It's more than a plant, it's a bridge to a higher consciousness, a healer for the mind and body, and a symbol of resistance against Babylon. So my brand, Legendary Ras Cory, the things that I'm about to bring out represents quality, culture, and connection. It's about bridging people back to their roots, whether you're smoking, relaxing, meditating, or even just reasoning with your brothers and sisters. You know what I mean? So this brand is my legacy. It's how I honor my roots and get back to the people. And it's just the beginning right now. This is just the beginning in this brand. And the new chapter of legendary Ras Cory, it has a visual of just things to come on this new channel and this new legendary Ras Cory brand. Family, this is the new chapter. It's about awakening. The sleepers must awaken. It's more than a channel, it's the call of action. Too many of us are walking through life asleep, distracted by Babylon's lies. It's time to wake up. On this platform, we're diving deep in real topics, relationships, spirituality, how the system that is designed to keep us down, and how it will rise, how we can rise above it. I'm not looking to hold back. If it's real, we're talking about it. If it's fake, we're turning it down. You understand, on this new channel. So the message to the family: stay legendary. You understand? Stay legendary in this message to the family. You understand? To my family who's been riding with me from the start. I've been doing this for a long time, and the people that still on here, I thank you. Your love and support has carried me through every challenge, every victory. This isn't the end. It's a new beginning. So follow me on Legendary Ras Cory. Let's keep building up and just keep reasoning, keep growing, and remember that life isn't about staying grounded, staying real, and staying legendary. I'm not here to play no games. I'm here to make an impact. You understand? So the legendary Ras Cory brand, let's keep it going. Subscribe to legendary Ras Cory for unfiltered truth and deep reasoning. Like and share and spread the vibes. The journey continues. Wake up, rise up, stay legendary. You understand? Bless.